I'm not sure if you saw about a month, no, about 3 weeks ago, an article came out that basically highlighted the role the UAE played in bringing the Kashmir
Yeah.
escalation down and sort of created a ceasefire, hopefully ultimately leading to restoring diplomats and getting the relationship back to a healthy level. We try to be helpful where we have influence with two different countries. So India and Pakistan was the most recent one. But you remember about 3 years ago, we also brought the Ethiopians and the Eritreans together for a peace deal, which seems to not be doing too well right now. But to the extent we can bring people together and create a win-win environment, whether it's Ethiopia or in Eritrea, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India, or UAE and Israel. We've been doing a lot of that, I would say, in the last 2 to 3 years. Absolutely. They might not sort of become best friends, but at least we want to get it to a level where it's functional, where it's operational, where they are speaking to each other, where there's lines of communication, and that's our goal. We don't think they're going to become, most favored nations with each other, but I think it's important for them to have a healthy, functional relationship, which is exactly our objective.